Hey boys and girls, it's Indiana Knows here, and I heard that you guys wanted to earn your bar graph badge. And that's cool. So we have to go around here looking for our knowledge canisters. If we find a knowledge canister, that means I can open up a video and start teaching you. The more knowledge you gain, the closer you get to earning a badge. And today we are going to earn the bar graph badge. Pretty cool. All right, so we gotta look around and find these canisters. When we find the canisters, I can teach you, and knowledge is power. Here we go. Let's look around. Do we see any canisters? All right, here we go, guys. Got one right here. So these are knowledge canisters. If I touch these, I can open up a video like right now. Hey boys and girls, it's Indiana Knows, and we need to increase our knowledge of bar graphs. And the first thing we need to know is the parts of a bar graph. Up here you have the title of the bar graph. The title is very important. It tells you what information is going to be in this bar graph. Down below you see the numbers of the bar graph. This is how much of the data there is. On the left you're going to see a label, and this is called shirt color, and we have our different types. We have red shirts, blue shirts, yellow shirts, and purple shirts. This is all the data neatly displayed on a bar graph. Gaining knowledge. Okay, so we learned about different types of bar graphs. We learned about titles of bar graphs, labels in bar graphs, and what the numbers stand for in bar graphs. Okay, one thing I didn't mention there is that bar graphs can be horizontal or vertical. Okay, let's look for our second canister for knowledge. We're only a third of the way filled. We got to get 2/3 more. Oh, there's one right there, guys. I see another knowledge canister. Let's go get it. All right. This is the green knowledge canister. Let's learn a little bit more about bar graphs. Okay, the next thing we need to know is what the information on the bar graph is actually telling us. So if we look at this one, the title is Favorite Zoo Animal. And we have some different animals. Now there might also be a label down here that says animals, but in this bar graph it doesn't. This is also called a vertical bar graph. A vertical bar graph. That's when the bars go up in columns. Okay, our first one is giraffe, and there are 5. Giraffe as the favorite animal. Next one is rhino. Rhino only has 2. Elephant has 4, and tiger has 7. Now, knowing that data can tell us a lot of information. They might ask us questions like, what is the favorite zoo animal? And we know just by looking, because it's a great visual, that tiger is clearly the most favorite animal of this data. Which is the least favorite zoo animal? Well, that's easy. The smallest bar graph, which is rhino, only 2. Okay, so we can use data in bar graphs to solve questions. All right, you guys are learning about bar graphs. You're doing an awesome job. We only have to find one more, teach you a little bit more about bar graphs, and then you can earn, once again, the bar graph badge. Okay, let's keep looking. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, I think I see it way over here. Indiana Knows. I'll teach you all you guys need to know. Look it up there. You guys see it up there? Here we go. Right here. Way up there. All right. I got the canister. I'm going to teach you a little bit more about bar graphs. Here we go. Okay, our knowledge is almost filled on bar graphs, but now we need to finish it off. Our title, yes, you guessed it, is Money Saved in the Piggy Bank. What's a label in this bar graph? Yep, dollars. Now look at the labels on the numbers on the sides for how much money is saved. It goes by increments of 5. You can see here that it goes $5, $10, $15, $20, $25, $30, and $35. Bar graphs can go up by 1s, they could go up by 2s, they could go up by 3s, they could go up by 5s, they could go up by 10s. It doesn't matter as long as they are equal amounts. In this bar graph, we see that Zoe has the least amount of money saved, Alex has the most, and Sue and Bob are right in the middle. Now we might get questions asked of us like, what is the difference between how much Alex saved and Sue saved? Okay, now the word difference tells us this is a subtraction problem. So let's look at Alex. She saved $35. Good job, Alex. And Sue saved $30, which is also pretty good. So what's the difference? We have to take 35, take away 30, and we get the answer of $5. Now they might ask another question, a different type of question. How much money did Zoe and Bob save all together? All together is a clue word that's going to tell you that you need to add those. So Zoe saved $5. Bob saved $15. So 15 plus 5. Our total is $20. I think we filled our knowledge meter. Good job, boys and girls. All right, guys, our knowledge meter is all filled up. Now it's time for you to answer about bar graphs. If you can answer all the questions right in the Indiana Knowns test, you can earn the badge. And if you get all the questions, it'll be emailed to you and you will earn this badge right here, the Bar Graphs badge. This has been Indiana Knows. And if you want to earn more badges, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and I will have more questions and more knowledge for you to gain. Adios.